Alrighty, I'm doing a video today on electronic ignition. Part number is 1261. It's the points elimination kit for a 306 cylinder, straight 6-cylinder Ford. It eliminates the points so you don't have to adjust them all the time. The part number, I was told, I called the company, I was going to buy the distributor, and it was like 400 something, and the guy told me, it's just as easy to just change the plate. It's only two or three screws. So I did do that, but there was a problem. They said, oh, they all fit. I have a 1971 Ford F-250 that I pulled the boat anchor 360 big block out of it, and I put another boat anchor, but a good running boat anchor, the 306 cylinder, and I wanted to eliminate the points. So you can see here the points are right here, points in a condenser, eliminated them. I put the Pertronix module in right there, and as you can see, if you look right there on the edge, it's kind of hard. Let me see if I can block there's the vacuum advance, and there's usually the vacuum advance has like a rod that's round, but this one's a 1969, so it has a flat rod. Well, it's hitting the Pertronix plate where the adjuster screw is, and you need to be able to adjust that to put the feeler gauge in there to get the right distance from the magnet. And here, I'll put the magnet on there. The magnet, it says in the instructions, the magnet goes with the larger side down, but that's not right. The larger side is up. But anyway, here's the that's the feeler gauge. They give that to you so you get the right amount of clearance between the magnet and the module. But anyway, what I had to do to get this to work the way it's working is I had to take this and go back over here, show you what I did. Took this, and if you look right here, I had to take it and put it on the grinder, and you want to be careful because you're working with an electronic device here. I put it on my grinder, and I took it and I ground it on the wheel there, and to give me some clearance. I mean, everything was the right part, everything, it fit in the groove and everything, but I just didn't have the clearance on this end to do what I needed. So I took it on my grinding wheel, ground it down, but you got to be careful because this module, being it's electronic, that plate gets real hot when you're grinding. So every couple seconds I came over to my bucket here with water in it, and I dipped it in water to cool it off real quick so that I didn't burn the module out. But I just want to let everybody know that maybe on the newer 300s this will work, but on the 1969 306 it did not work without some manipulation on my part to get it in there. But I did start it. I can't show you that on this video because I got it out, but I was able to start it. It ran fine with that, and I wanted to show you about the magnet, about the instructions in there. Let's see if I can dial it in here so it's not so blurry, but it said what is it, the spacer says slide down the sleeve to the point. Let's see, that right there on top, it says install the magnet sleeve on the distributor shaft with a larger opening facing down, and that's wrong. And the larger opening is facing up and the smaller opening with the groove is facing down. So anyway, that's what it said on in the instructions. I just wanted to give everybody a heads up on the distributor. But anyway, I just that's the problem I had for this older 1969 300.